All about the choppers in here this week. Big ass choppers. Not so big ass, but a plunger frame. Another beauty in here. That's a steamroller, 300. And so they go on. Cliff's Chop. Martin's, nice Harley. This nice bit of work we've done on this. So yeah, it is literally all about the choppers in here this week. So that's not bad. We don't mind that. We've got a couple of other bits. We've got a Zeb one that we're doing a few bits on. Snuck up here. Little XS250 coming towards the end with a tail tidy and electric box. And Nick's Resurrection XS850. So yeah, that's what we're all about in here this week. I've got a very, very small bike though. Almost out of January, not long to go now.